Hey y'all, I'm sitting at a tiny little airstrip here in the Willamette Valley of Oregon, Independence to be exact. And I'm getting ready to fly over the Cascade Mountains from west to east right around sunset. And it's a great time to just shoot scenic GoPro shots with the camera mounted off the wing. Or not the wing, but I'm gonna use the NFlight tie-down camera mount for tie-downs, a tie-down camera mount. And I'm going to run 5K video, super cinematic, but I'm gonna punch forward with a narrow setting so I can get the mountains, just pure scenic. But so what happens, at NFlight we get a lot of questions about, well, how do you start the camera? Because it's gonna take me 40 minutes to get to the mountains, right? Well, you're an aviator, right? So you are good at flight planning, and you all know how accurate we can be after takeoff of when we're gonna arrive somewhere. Well, a little known feature in the GoPro cameras is you can actually set the camera to turn on and start recording with a clock, like an alarm clock, inside the camera settings. And I'm not gonna take you there right now, but you can go figure it out yourself. It's not rocket science at all. It's a totally normal feature in the 10, 11s, and 12 cameras. You can set the clock and it will turn on and start recording video. So I'm just gonna mount the camera to the tie-down mount, and then I'm gonna turn the camera off, and it's just gonna hibernate, and then it's gonna turn on right when I get to the mountains because I did my flight planning and I know what time I'm gonna get there. That easy. Let's go. All right, it dawned on me I should probably just show you where scheduled capture is. Well, when you have your camera turned on, in the bottom center of your screen, your current video capture settings will be listed. And if you press and hold that little button, it'll automatically pop open to the settings changes, or the ability or the menu to make settings changes to that particular video capture that you've chosen. In the bottom left-hand corner of the default screen that just opens up, you'll see scheduled capture. Tap on it, and then you can choose scheduled capture on or off, and you just turn it to on and then set the time that you want to use. It's that easy, friends, that easy. So as you remember, I mounted my GoPro out with the tie-down mount. Problem is, I can't really see it out there, can you? Because it's kind of tucked behind the strut. But I have it programmed to come on at, I started actually when we were on the ground, I told you 6:30, but I don't even know if I told you a time, but the point is I'm trying to get the sunset, so I actually reprogrammed it for 6:40 because I got off the ground a little bit late. Lots of forest fires in Oregon right now, really big ones, as I'll show you if I spin the camera around. Now, I'm hoping that when we're on just passing over the east side of the Cascades around
Bonanza 878 Whiskey, radar service terminated, smoke VFR, and change to tower frequency is approved, 124.5. Have a good night.
ATC, they're always getting in there. I'm going to, when I pass over onto the east side of the Cascades, I'm hoping that's going to be right around 6:40, and I'm hoping that the sun is going to light up the back of the smoke and just make things look
Turkey
incredible.
631 Bravo Whiskey, traffic at your